Hi, it's me again, the keyboard guy. Let's dive into how to access the unlimited and completely free Run Collection feature in EchoAPI. A capability that stands out compared to other products. Start by selecting a collection, then click More and choose Run All from the drop-down menu. You can customize iterations, interval, test data, and environment or stick with the default settings. Once set up, simply click Run in the top right to execute the collection. Let's give it a little time, just like we patiently wait on my stubborn keyboard. After it completes, let's review the results. Out of the 10 API calls, 3 were successful, while 7 failed. Curious why an API request failed or succeeded? Here's the trick. You can click on each API to see detailed logs, examine failure causes, and review returned data from successful calls. Let's just overlook the error here. Here's the corrected version I want to show you. The returned data from successful calls is in here. Ditch the calculator, we'll handle the math for you. The results page also shows statistics such as request success rate, failed requests, assertion success rate, and failed assertions. Keyboard issues. I'm definitely not forgetting the next step. Just right next to the requests panel, there's a test panel. You can access all historical test reports here and quickly select and run any collection. Let's do this one. You're all familiar with it. The one what I care about most. Make sure to download EchoAPI for VS Code and assist me in upgrading my broken keyboard. Let's click Run All. Click Run. All the test data we've seen reappears when we redo the process. This is a quick introduction to the Run Collection feature. I hope you find this video helpful.